Why you should take child snoring seriously? If your child snoring, number one, opening mouth, meaning that the teeth alignment is not happening, we're going to get more caries. Number two is breathing through the mouth by functioning the ear. Your child will going to have a hearing problem. Number three is not breathing through the nose properly, meaning lungs development will not develop properly. 4. Brain. The child cannot sleep, rest, cannot focus in the school. So take it seriously, the sleeping.